Hello all, welcome to my channel Everyday PM. PM Made Easy. We are in our basic series and today is lesson number 8 that talks about project management softwares. Before we get started, let me introduce myself. I am Priya and I have been in project management space for more than 15 years. The intent to start my channel is to share my knowledge as well as mentor all of you in the project management space. So let's get into the details. But before we do that, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Let's look at Lesson 8 agenda. Objective, recap of previous lessons, project management software features, common softwares, market share, some homework, and we will close with a chuckle. Objective. This is a basic series and is covered in 11 lessons. We are currently in lesson number 8. Each lesson is around 10 to 15 minutes and we explore project management in a corporate and personal space. The entire series is simple, easy to understand, and enjoyable. The goal is to make project management interesting to all and build up a strong workforce in this space. Explore project management to relaunch your career and get certified. Let's do a quick recap of previous lessons. So far we have covered 7 lessons and we covered project management, program management, portfolio management, basic skills needed for project manager, pillars, process, phases of project management, project life cycle phases, PM methodologies, common methodologies like Waterfall and Agile, their respective benefits, and the last lesson was on project management tools. Previous lesson links are provided in the description box and the playlist is attached on this video. So let's come to the main topic for today's discussion, which is project management software. So project management software is a tool that helps teams and organizations plan, organize, manage, and track their process of projects. It provides a centralized platform for coordinating tasks, resources, schedules, budgets, and communication throughout project lifecycle. These tools are designed to improve efficiency, ensure deadlines are met, and keep everyone involved, informed, and aligned. So some of the common features that you will find in each of these softwares are task management that allows users to create, assign, and track tasks and subtasks. Second one is collaboration tools, which enables communication through messages, comments, file sharing, etc. Third is time tracking that helps track how long tasks or projects take, allowing for better resource allocation. Fourth is project scheduling that provides timelines and Gantt charts and calendars to track deadlines and milestones. Fifth is resource management that helps track cost and manage the allocation of resources that include people or equipment. Sixth is reporting and analytics that generates reports on progress, team performance, and other KPIs. Seventh is document sharing that stores and shares documents related to project for easy access by the team. If you are liking what I have been presenting so far, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Once again, the common features of software are task management, collaboration tools, time tracking, project scheduling, resource management, reporting and analytics, and document sharing. Now let's take some common examples of these softwares. They are Asana, Basecamp, ClickUp, Jira, Microsoft Project, Monday.com. and Trello. Again, these are very common software. There are many more than what I have listed here. Now, this particular table that I'm sharing talks about how each of these tools that I have listed are best for, what are their key features, strength, and their limitations. My recommendation is please pause your video here, take a screenshot of this slide, or make notes out of what I have presented, because this information is going to be useful when you go for your project manager interviews. So I'm just going to talk about how are these tools best used for. So let's start with Asana, good for flexible project management. Basecamp, simple communication focused projects. ClickUp, all-in-one solution for teams. Jira for agile projects. Microsoft Project, this is for large and complex project. Monday.com for customizable workflows, and Trello, simple task management. So ultimately, the best project management software depends on your team size, project complexity, and specific needs. Simple tools like Trello or Basecamp work well for small teams or projects, while more robust platforms like Jira, Asana, or Microsoft Projects are better suited for larger or more complex projects. Now let's go back into history and let's look at where did this project management software actually started. So till 19, maybe around 1960s, Gantt chart and CPM were developed for managing projects. From 1960s to 70s, first software was developed by IBM that was based on CPM and PERT. CPM is critical path method and PERT is program evaluation review technique. In 1980s, we saw Microsoft Project being launched, which was the beginning of the personal PC-based tools. In 1990s, web-based tools started to emerge like Basecamp and Primavera. In 2000s, SaaS revolution with Basecamp, Asana, and early Jira. And in 2010s, Agile methodology started dominating. So because of that, Jira, Monday.com, ClickUp came into picture. And in 2020s, AI and automated integrated hyper customizable tools like ClickUp are in picture or are dominating. Again, this is some additional information that I wanted to share because this will also help you in your communication when you are giving project manager interviews. Once again, if you are liking what I am presenting, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Now let's look into the market share of this common software. And again, these are 2025 estimates only. And looking into the insights of the information that I have presented, Trello and Jira are around 10 to 15%, and they are the leaders in terms of market share, and largely because they cater to different types of users. Trello serves as a broad range for small teams and individual users, while Jira dominates in agile development space. Asana and Monday.com, they are around 4 to 8% or 5 to 10% are solid competitors, especially in the flexible market project management space. They are commonly used by mid-sized to large teams. Basecamp has a niche focusing on simplicity and ease of use for smaller teams. Microsoft Project, which is the one of the old timers, they still hold its ground among enterprise level project managers who need extensive resource planning and scheduling. ClickUp is growing rapidly, likely due to its ambitious feature set and competitive pricing. Again, these are estimates and based on various reports and industry trends, but the actual market share can vary depending on the region, industry, and specific segment of users. The project management software market is expected to continue growing with newer tools like ClickUp gaining traction in specific niches. Now, some fun facts about PM software industry. So AI integration. AI is everywhere, right? So some tools like Monday.com and Asana has started integrating AI to help automate tasks, predict project risk, and optimize team performance. Remote work. PM tools saw a massive surge in use following the shift to remote work, particularly during and after pandemic. Mobile usage. More and more teams are using mobile versions of project management tools, making it easier to update tasks and communicate on the go. Work automation. Tools like Monday.com and ClickUp have introduced automation features that allow users to automate repetitive tasks like task assignment, notification, and reminders. Now, let's do some homework. Read more about common project management softwares and find out the market share of these softwares in 2018 and 19, that is before pandemic. And share your homework in the comment section. In the next lesson, we will cover project manager skills and certifications in details. Let's close with a chuckle. This is a software related joke. Why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because the light attracts bugs. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope the knowledge that I am sharing is useful to all of you. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Talk to you next time.